Hi, welcome to Learn With Me, Mrs. Sullivan. Today we're going to talk about writing letters neatly. You can see I've colored my paper in a very specific way, and it shows the sky, the grass, and the dirt. We're going to use this idea of sky, grass, and dirt to help us write the lowercase letters only. So we're going to be talking about some special things that help us visualize exactly how those lowercase letters should look. So let's find out how to use sky, grass, and dirt letters to make our writing neater. So let's talk about the sky letters. All letters fall down from the sky, either the tippy top line here or from where the sky meets the grass. They always go down. And especially the sky letters, we start at the top and we go down, and this helps us to not tear our paper. So sky letters have a part of themselves that are in the sky. All letters have some part of themselves in the grass, but a few letters have part of themselves in the sky, and a few letters have part of themselves in the dirt. You can see some sky letters right here that they're up in the blue section. So the sky letters are B, I fall down and I circle around for my B. For my D, I start like I would an A, but I go all the way up and back down. My F starts in the sky, but I plan ahead because I'm going to swoop backwards. I swoop up and around and go down, and then I cross. My H falls down from the sky, but when it touches the bottom line, it bounces back up until it gets to the grass section and curves over. The top where the grass and the sky meet, it curves back down. My K falls from the top line down to the bottom, and then I pick up my pencil and I go from the edge of the sky and the grass right here, and then down to the bottom. My L starts at the sky and just goes straight down to where the grass meets the dirt. My T starts just like an L, and then I cross it, and I want to cross it up in the sky, not where these letters are going to meet this dotted line, because sometimes if you have a pencil, it's really hard to see the line that goes across. Now we can see here with all of these letters, each and every one of them has a large part that is here in the sky. And that's why they get to be called sky letters, because they are in the sky. Not all letters get to go up there in the sky, but these sky letters do. Remember, we're only talking about lowercase letters, and these lowercase letters get to be called sky letters. Most letters are grass letters. That means they stay in between the dotted line halfway up and the bottom line. Remember, all the letters sit on this line with part of their body. They don't want to be flying up in the air. They want to rest themselves down there. So if a letter has all of its parts in the grass, we can call it a grass letter. So we have A, C, E. We started in the middle of the grass right there and went up and around. I. Now, I has that one little dot in the sky, but with our lowercase I, it's really in the grass. M and N are both all the way in the grass. Then we also have O, which is all the way in the grass. R in the grass. And you can see lots of these. They fall down from the very edge of the sky in the grass. S, I go up to that dotted line and rest it on the line down below. S, D, U, V, W, oops, missed that line a little bit there. X, and Z. All parts of these letters are totally in the grass. They don't go up into the sky except for the dot on the I, and none of them have any part that goes down into the dirt. They are grass letters. Dirt letters have part of their letter written in the grass. All the letters have some part in the grass. Grass letters have only in the grass, but dirt letters dig down low into the dirt down here. Okay, so let me see. A, B, C. I'm just doing the alphabet to think about when I get to a dirt letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Fills up the grass and then digs down low. H, I, J. Now J is a dirt letter. Even though it has that tiny little dot up in the sky, it's still a dirt letter. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, and Y. So they all sit on this line with part of their body. The J is the only one that doesn't have a little extra bumpy tummy. And then they dig way down low into the dirt below the line. That's why they're called dirt letters, because they dig their toe down into the dirt. So when you want to write neatly, it's very helpful to think about, is it a sky, grass, or a dirt letter? And think about the positions that it is. Imagining the green grass, the blue sky, and the brown dirt down below helps to give you a visual that's going to help you to write your letters neatly. Thanks for watching Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan. Please remember, these are lowercase only letters that fit the sky, grass, dirt rule. Capital letters, of course, always go in the sky. So for lowercase letters, think about the sky, the grass, and the dirt to help you when you're writing